How to fast forward only a certain part of the video on CapCut. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily speed up or fast forward a part of a video in CapCut. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your CapCut app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open up a video that you want to edit. And once you get to the video, what you will see is the speed icon at the bottom right beside split. You can just tap on speed and change it to normal. You can go up to 100x. So if you want a smoother slow motion, you can choose a part of the video that you want to speed up like this. This way you will be able to speed up the whole video, but if you just want to speed up only a certain part of the video, then in that case you'll have to just get to the part of the video where you want to speed up. For example, here on 5 seconds, you can simply go ahead and split the video here. Now you can just tap on the speed on the second part of the video and start increasing the speed like this. And once you do that, tap on done. Now if I play the video normally, as you can see, it's going to play normally up to here, and afterwards it's gonna start speeding up. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.